I've always wanted to be a mechanic since I was a little child. I have been a paid professional to repair cars for 43 years and enjoy it today still. We are an ASC certified repair facility. We are a California certified test and repair facility for smog inspections. We are a AAA approved repair facility. We specialize in GM, Ford, Chrysler, Honda, Toyota, and Nissan vehicles. We perform general factory services as well as 30, 60, 90 scheduled factory services. Our services include lube, oil and filter changes, brake service, tune-up service, electrical service, transmission service, and battery service. We strive to repair your vehicle correctly the first time. Our new location is 2411 Washington Avenue, only 7 blocks from our old location.